John Bosco, oh me baby.
Thank you. Thank you. Please clap. Good evening. Good evening. You will respond. Good evening. How you guys doing? So my name is FUNNYURCH and I'm from Aba. Aba is a nice place to be online. So my aim here is just to come do some of my jokes for you people. But since the title of this joke is borrowed joke, I will just read some of the joke I've borrowed for you people. As you listen, may God bless you.
On the fire, you.
Number one.
Don't.
Since people have laughed already, let's go to number two. Listen, thank you people for understanding. It's actually borrowed joke, so maybe people have heard it before. Still funny.
On the fire, you.
Sorry. That's number 5. No video, come. I see if I know all these things will happen. Apart from this comedy, I do POS business. Jesus. Why? Where is this guy? Come now, come and. Don't come here, go here, see money here, pick them. I will do account. So,
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
sorry guys, which number are we? Number 7, like, this one is not funny. You laugh. Number 8.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I don't have enough time, but I thank God that you are understanding these jokes. Do you know, I was doing this POS business and don't just go and repost my video online. From 5,000 followers, I got 7,000 followers. That's the worst mistake that happened to me. My DM full. 2,000 upcoming artists. Half a guy listening to this song. If you help me send and give it to see, now me call the message John Jazzy. Please, sir, can you delete that video you posted? Funny joke. Number 9. Your intelligence, sir. Number 9, Jare. Are you right now? There is no number 8.
Your face show.
So, Bini, you guys have been a wonderful audience. My name is FUNNYURCH. So you can follow me on Instagram, POS Boy, TikTok, POS Boy. Good night.
Oh, me dear me. John Bosco, oh, me dear me. Oh, me dear me.
I want to use the remaining 1 minute and pick my money.
Oh, me dear me.
John Bosco Live, August 27th. Get your tickets.